17th of the 6th, Tuesday, continuation after yesterday's session, which is back here. It's intraday trading, we're still in previous day's range. We swept London's low to go to London's high. I expect this buy side to be swept a little bit later on. What I'm watching for at the moment is for us to drop below this level, which we have. I should have been recording prior to that. But I'm expecting some sort of retracement up to this level for a bit around. We'll hover around here before continuing higher. There are previous, that's yesterday's, and then 2 days ago's high as upper level targets. There are lower targets that we could potentially aim for, like these equal lows and everything. Days a bit unsure, but I think after all of these we should be expecting like, actually yeah, kind of looking bearish. Unsure. I reckon we could drop, hit before a further drop. We're above midnight open, so I reckon we'll be delivering into a higher premium. I think previous day's high isn't unreasonable given the distance. 8:30 open. We judiced down. Well, we have travelled down from 8:30 open. I'm anticipating this to be the Judas swing that takes us to the buy side or previous day's high over the long term before we fall back down within the range, probably drilling lower back to like midnight open or original consolidation down here. Right, consolidation. Yeah. Alright.
Oh, here he is. Hang on. Speak.
Hello, bro.
Cool. Legend. I'm just eating. And then I need to quickly tidy my shit. I've got 25 minutes. Do you see my screen? Alright.
I recorded a little bit of audio to today's video. For the video I'm recording today, talking about what my anticipation is over the day and what's happened. Oh, ChatGPT didn't do the thing I asked it to do.
You see my screen? I think you can see my screen.
Oh, what? Why are there two copies? Oh, one's in the progress. That's yesterday's one. I need it to do.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you, yeah. I'm just working other stuff. Let me.
Oh, alright.
Okay, I've got your screen up.
Where is it going today?
Oh, I don't know. I reckon previous day's high considering the distance, but then I reckon it will just continue to drop after that. I'm not sure because we're pretty high up if you think about it of the range. So if you go from the high that's on the 11th to the low of the 12th, we're very high up within that range. And then being above midnight open as well, But it looks like we're judicing out of 8:30 open, like immediate drop.
We're below midnight open.
No, we're above midnight open.
It's below midnight open. No, we're not.
Yeah, above. Isn't that what I said? Did I say below?
Yes, we're below. We are below. How are you drawing midnight open?
I've got the wrong midnight. I got midnight on the 16th, not 17th. That's threw off my whole thing. I was like, oh, we're above, so like, we're still in a premium of like the larger range though.
I think I'm looking for longs. That's what I'm gonna do.
What makes you want to look for longs? What's your idea around it?
Look at my chart. Are you already looking at my chart?
Yes, 15-minute.
Okay. Okay, so basically, if I were to, you got this, all right, 4-hour BPR above it.
Yeah.
Working in this, and simply put, we're below midnight and 8:30 open.
Yes, which I see
S&T
now.
with the Dow here, which both ES and Nasdaq taking out all of this.
Yes,
Below
I need
midnight
to
open.
start checking the Dow.
Where's I check the Dow when I look. I'm like, oh, it makes sense if there's an SMT there, and there isn't, so I check the Dow. Fucking yesterday's range. Well, we're working off of this anyway. The 15-minute, like it can still go below all of this. I'm just saying I want it to go higher. Like these highs here on the Nasdaq, they're like higher, but on the S&P, it's pretty decent liquidity. All of this,
Yeah.
I've marked it out. And like, so midnight open starts here. What time did it go below? So 3 o'clock. So like this is like London down, and then it reversed in New York pre-market, and that's what it's been doing. I've marked out New York low because there is like it can tend to just take that and then go higher. So at 9:30, I'm basically watching to see like it's already below equilibrium, but it doesn't want to work in the optimal trade entry area, or doesn't want to take this. Either or, in those both those areas, I'll be looking for a reason to go long, I guess.
No, that will make sense.
Also, and because also, the main thing that just like consolidates all of that is that.
That will make sense. I thought we were way higher above midnight open, hence why I had the idea there would be dropping. Now that I've got that correct, no, like keep it going up.
Yeah.
I've got to note that. It's because I don't know why I put 16th.
Yeah. I've done it before loads.
Just little things that you get used to.
I still do it.
Want to get a wall calendar or something and start tracking my days a bit better than just my phone calendar.
Did you hear me? I was like, I don't know, Mesh. I don't know where that goes.
Funny time.
Yo, come to the cliffs with us. Bro, I nearly died yesterday. I realised I've got a fear of heights.
When? Because I start work at 8 today, so I leave at 7:25. So I can do stuff. We can do stuff later.
Don't do it today.
Yeah, I haven't done my workout for a few days. I've just been doing the cycling. I'm just gonna. I'll start my routine, my workout routine again tomorrow. I should, 2-3 days should be adequate rest properly. I'm still cycling. My legs are fucking. Yesterday my knees were pulsating just because I was properly working like muscles I haven't worked before. It coming from a background of neglect gives you atrophy in weird ways.
Wait a minute, Dan.
Yeah.
Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here. I just turned my mic off.
You were like coming from. I
What?
didn't know you came from a background of neglect.
The fuck do you mean, bruv? You did as well, man.
That's news to me.
Is it? I guess we got to get this
That's
one out
news
on.
to me.
We got to. I guess it's a story for in the trenches. Where's episode 3?
Fucking neglected. Wait until I've got more to actually discuss. I don't want to show up and be like, right, so I've been having a severe identity crisis, and this talk has nothing to do with trading.
But isn't that the point of the podcast to like talk about the
Probably on
craziness?
Friday. Yeah, you can hop on if you want, though. Just do it on Friday. You've got a whole week to talk about.
Yeah, a whole week of working, trading,
What are you saying?
going insane, learning Japanese.
My phone looks like this. Nihonji! So my woman can look like this. Kudasai! Bro, the day I hear someone say Kudasai like that is probably the day I realise I don't even like that shit.
The moment, like the first time sleep up this, like I am recording all of this.
Okay, edit it then.
Yeah, I will. I've got ChatGPT cutting down yesterday's, or I'm trying to get him to cut it down.
How?
I asked him that
Well,
if
it edits for you. What?
I asked him if he could chop up a video file if I gave it to him, and he was just like, "Yeah, I can trim it to specific timestamps, extract segments, and splitting it into parts." I was like, "Would you be able to cut all stretches of silence and leave the parts where we're speaking?" And he goes, "Yeah, I can do that," and he just tells me to upload it. So I'm just waiting for the file to actually upload. I want to see how well he cuts it all out and everything, because like then I could just watch it, mark out times, give him the timestamps that I need to cut out, and then just like he'll do it.
It's good.
I'm surprised you haven't tried it yet, Geese. Especially when you complain about how long it takes you to edit.
Didn't realise it did that. I didn't realise it did that.
It does everything. Literally does everything. It's just like you, Geese. Because then, like, once whatever it gives you back, you can still take away and then finalize. Like,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah,
I'm just writing in my journal.
daily journal. Oh, I have no coffee. I was supposed to have coffee for this, but I don't have any.
Because you drank it all.
Because I drank it all. Hmm.
I'm gonna make tea for this.
I mean, oh yeah, I can just actually go down and make one. It's not even 9:30 yet. Preemptively marking out the chance. I'm gonna take a screenshot. I love this. I just take a screenshot, save to a file, and then I just crop them down.
Let me check what regular trading hours looks like.
I haven't even done that.
Just draw a line on it. Close. The
22,172.75.
So premium opening gap. It's about 120 points at the moment. All right. I'm making tea.
I'm gonna go pee and make coffee. Setting up all these presets gets really annoying. I guess once it's done, it's done. But like, keep altering them. Keyboard is loud. So at 9:30 we'll know where we are, but we expect. That's just even more confluence for the bullish bias of the day.
I need my camera on. What the fuck?
Yeah, mate, I've captured. Oh no, never mind. Probably got screenshots of you and your shirtless self. I'll send them to you once I've edited them down.
Well, get rid of them.
No. I'm gonna store them, save them up, create an OnlyFans.
Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here,
Hello.
Mish. Hello. Where'd you go?
Yeah, it's just my internet died, so I had to check.
Your shit, me.
My internet died for a second.
That's not good.
Oh, you called me fucking kidding me.
Oh, you fucking saying? I'll fucking have you, mate. You, mate. You can't even fucking have me, mate. Fucking hell.
You can't even fucking have me, mate.
Like, it might just take that data high like immediately. Just don't be in a rush.
No, I'm not. I'm on my practice account. I'm not even on my combine yet. So if I,
Yeah.
There you go.
yeah, see,
So,
nice. All right, you're getting a bit echoey, by the way.
all right.
Really? There's not
Yeah,
really anything I
you're
can do
getting
about
feedback.
that. Is what it is.
Well, you could use
Again,
like
I don't know what you want me to
headphones.
do about that. I don't have headphones. What am I meant to do? If I don't
No,
have
like,
headphones, how am I meant to fix that right now?
like, what happened to your earphones? I thought you had like earbuds.
You had like earbuds.
I told you a while ago that I don't know where they are. I told you I thought they might be at yours, but I don't think they are.
Oh, I'm not sure. What were they? What did they look like? I've got some.
Well, I'm not sure. What do they look like? I've got some.
Oh, well, they're just USB-C, white.
No, I'll keep an eye out though.
No, although
I've got those ones you got on the airplane if you want those ones.
I've got those ones you got on the airplane if you want those ones.
That's what I'm on about. The ones that I bought for the airplane.
I know, I'm
The
talking
white
about the ones you
ones.
got on the airplane. The grey ones.
Another ones you got on the airplane. The grey ones.
Oh, I don't want those. Ginger fucking tea, mate. Oh my god.
Oh, I love a good bit of ginger tea.
Oh, I love a good bit of ginger tea.
The Dow is ripping, which it was the one that had the bullish S&T, so it's a little interesting that. That's how that works. There's no news at 10 or anything, is there? As far as I know.
No, it was just the 8:30.
No, it's just the 8:30.
The video I'm trying to upload to GPT just keeps
I'm
failing.
trying to upload to GPT, just keeps failing.
Did you get your coffee?
No, I decided against it.
No,
I
I
already-
against it.
I already had two, and it's
I already had two.
didn't give me the jitters if I go any
and
further.
it's as if I'm going. But
I want to buy here, but I'm not going to.
Yeah, I'm waiting. I'm waiting until
Yeah.
about 10:30.
I'm waiting.
See what's going on.
Until
Or the macro at least.
see what's going on. Or the macro at least.
£110, pretty much. Oh, that's pretty good. So the midpoint of that regular trading hours gap lines up almost perfectly with the drawn liquidity that I've got, which are the highs
Oh,
on 15
fuck.
minute that I pointed out.
Yeah.
So nice displacement or something, and I would be confident in that. Gonna try and clean my charts up a bit. There's a lot of stuff on there. I don't know. Don't need that.
What the
anymore. No.
fuck?
What's this one?
The market is open.
It closed.
What happened
News. What the fuck was that? Did Trump tweet or something?
there? I don't know.
Oh, he swept. They didn't sweep for those lows. Is that would? Yes. Does that look like? That didn't drop anywhere as near as deep as that. What's YM looking like? I was going.
I'll go on financial juice. Trump said, "I'm not too much in the mood to negotiate with Iran."
Wow.
Nice. Cheers, Trump.
Lovely.
So this would be your New York ATM model then. It's going for the 7 o'clock low at 21,995. I don't want to take that. I'll just watch it.
Going back to a Bissy I marked out earlier at 6:51.
What is wrong with that?
Did you enter?
Did you
No. Not on my account, no.
Ah, okay. Why I'm still chugging upwards. About to take the highs.
Yeah, I think that's what they call the Six Sister approach. I think, like, you know, the others are going to catch up. It's not necessarily like SMT.
Six Sisters approach.
Never heard that.
Nope, but I'm noting it down. That is a 2. How do you do an S? Oh my god, why have I forgotten how to do an S? What the fuck? There you go. Six Sisters approach. No, I was looking at market couplings earlier because we were talking about the USD going like down yesterday. I was like, oh, how much? I want to look a bit more into that.
Yeah, I look at it a little bit, only because I've got the real estate for it.
Yeah, not having a second screen's annoying.
Yeah. A second screen's annoying.
It's just kind of there, like, next to me. Like, I don't have to touch it or do anything with it. It's just, you know. good because we're still below the opening prices, so we don't have to like force a bad entry. I'm gonna pay.
Just taking periodic screenshots to follow along, journal it all.
This as a 2-minute inversion, like I would, is what I'm looking at to potentially take. By the way,
Let me switch to the 2-minute. Oh, I see it as Venom model.
in anticipation of, I guess so. Yeah, it'd be in anticipation of this 4-minute breaker. You'd have to wait a whole 2 more minutes for that though. Now, really, like any displacement higher in the macro would be a good confirmation. Like there's an entry there, and then if you get like a displacement after that, that'd be a good entry of like, all right, it's definitely going up now, you know, and it would be climbing back into the low of the regular trading hours gap in anticipation of that whole like move down being a breaker. But because we've got the New York 7 a.m. lows, sorry, below us, not in a rush to go for it. But the thing is like those lows, that's where the S&T was with the Dow, and the Dow's nowhere near them. But you know, NQ and ES could still sweep them before running higher. In that case, it would be like a really decoupled market. It would actually kind of be really untradeable, but we'll see what goes on. Jermaine's just gone long, but I honestly, like I said, he's gone long in that small gap there, which I think it will work. I want more, you know, I want to take the next displacement we see.
Yeah, I'm waiting for it to end. Oh, are we back?
25.
Okay. My computer just fucking sputtered and I missed my entry. Alright, what is going on? Tech difficulties. Still recording. Alright. And that's gone error for fuck's sake. Oh well. Yeah, I was gonna open on the. I was gonna enter on the open of this candle, but fucking internet spat it out.
Just watch your 1 minute chart and look for things that should support price.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Like 15-second re-entry. Drop down by one, take it. What's it doing? 15 minutes. Nah. No. Wait.
There's an SMT. That's not nice. I think there's going to be SMTs forming if we're going with the idea that ES and NQ are catching up. It's probably going to form a lot out of SMT at the highs.
Yeah.
How much have you got risked?
I risked 200. I've got 2 contracts, but I'm not in any trades yet.
Oh, okay.
I missed the entry I wanted because of a computer sputter. I'm gonna try and target just like around 20 to 30 handles when I enter trades and stuff, and then just get out no matter what it's at. So like 30 from what my entry would have been, 72-ish. That would have been a tasty. I would have ended up getting like 20 odd handles. Yeah, I could have got that.
All right. Please
Yeah,
keep
you get
doing
a silver
that.
bed there.
To the tick of the order block, by the way.
Yeah, no, I'm looking at it.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah,
it's just like, oh, fuck.
Even if you don't find yourself an entry, I'm intentionally not giving you one. I'm saying I'm
No,
in a
no,
trade,
that's-
so you should take
That's
this.
the thing.
I'm in a
I'm
trade,
only
so
looking
I
at it
believe
because
order flow is engaged now to be bullish. So it's up to you if you can frame a PD array discount array that you want to get in on. But even if not, you're tape reading this, so it doesn't even matter. I'm just saying, you know, I'm not going to be like, here's that breaker, here's that gap. Like, you can see it on the 1 minute. It's just up to you to if you want
I know,
to get
that's what I'm
involved or
doing.
not. You know, it's your
I
risk.
I was going to enter because my idea was playing out, but then my computer literally spattered and froze when I was doing it, so I missed it. So I just decided
That's
to write
okay.
it afterwards. I'm not relying on you. I am trying to develop my price action.
No, I know you're not.
leading.
I know you're not. I'm just saying that if I'm in a trade and you have the same bias as me, then you'd probably like think, all right, he thinks it's happening now, and then it's like you can just start looking for, you know what I mean? Like if someone said, all right, order flow's bullish, find a PD array.
Yeah, I use you for sentiment, but like, you're not my deciding factor.
No. It's like there, I could see on my screen. I looked over and Shemaine got in his entry was lower, but I'd even just said I was like, I'm looking for another displacement, so I didn't just get in because I wouldn't have learned anything. I don't think. So I got in on what did I do? That 2-minute inversion. I like that. It's nice to wait though, isn't it? Even if this doesn't
No, it
even
is.
if I get stopped here, it's nice to do that
I'm
half
not
an hour of
bothered.
waiting and yeah. But knowing what to wait for as well, it's a skill that takes a very long time. I ain't even got it.
I do feel quite frequently like when I'm looking at it and it feels like it's about to go off and stuff. I feel that excitement, like I should just enter. But then like it's noticing that and deciding not to take the moment to get the confirmation you need.
Because that not responding to that is pretty much the only edge there is in the market. Like, you know,
Yeah, that's
not
the
responding to your
discipline
emotions.
you need to develop.
So the next 1-minute candle is 10 a.m. I got the 4-hour chart next to me. There'll be a 4-hour change in the state. That's cool. Well, yeah, I'm pretty confident in this. I can just sit and watch. Like I could just get scam wicked out at 10, but you know. All right, cool. Nice. So I'm taking one partial off at that 22.123, and then I'm holding the rest for previous day's high.
Yeah.
You must be learning so much right now.
I am
by
honestly,
watching it play out.
and
Yeah.
having it all recorded and everything, and being able to go back is going to be so handy.
Now, would I go break even? I suppose I'd raise my stop.
Wouldn't you wait for it to take this buy side?
I'm waiting for that partial, yeah.
Fucking London, super London high from.
Why has it got to play me like that? Always be like this. Always. So I suppose that's your silver bullet, essentially. That gap there, displacement in the direction that you're looking for. I don't think it even meets it, but any tap into it, I'd say would be a good buy, considering my stop is below that. I'd imagine that'd be a silver bullet, because you've waited to know what's already in play, before you get involved.
And you're just waiting for an opportunity to get the entry. Yeah, I'm looking on the 15 one. We're heading towards it once we get some going. I'll just do 2 partial at. Actually, I'll just get out at like 30 handles. Oh, hello. Get the lowest fill I can.
Order filled.
Put my stop to the bottom of it, which is 48 to the top.
Order filled.
What the fuck is it doing?
I got stopped out. Lost 12.
How did that happen?
I don't know. My stop loss was set to 64 because it was the low of the fair thing. So it didn't even hit where it was. I'm gonna have to replay that one on the video. What the fuck happened there? I'm not sure if that was me or 10 o'clock chop for a bit, maybe?
No, because there wasn't a large range previously. Wayne's mother's got stage 4 terminal cancer. She's got a time limit. He said pray for her.
Ouch. Yeah.
That's not good. I'm about to have my first winning trade of a break even. My win rate will go up to like 10%.
Order filled.
All right.
Was that you getting stopped out?
Yep. Oh,
Was it?
25% win rate. Let's go.
Was it? Oh shit, that's beautiful. Mine's not that good. 20% actually. Oh, nice.
Order filled.
One more try.
One more try. Why are you entering on this?
What do you mean?
What are you entering
I just wanted to get in on that gap still. But I had a break even stop the last time.
on?
I was just watching how it traded through it. Stuff like that. But this time I'm going to take my full take profit at the highs, not a partial, and then watch it. I'm just going to take it and go. I'm just trading that Bissy, which is essentially, I'm trying to treat it like a silver bullet. It happened at 9.56, but it's a displacement in the direction I want. I don't know, what do you think? Shall I take a partial there? Yeah. Just in this type of market, you've got to be really nimble in it.
Yeah, you gotta be adaptive. It's something I'm
You gotta like take the hanging fruits. I can do a better job explaining why I do things sometimes. It's just like fucking when I'm in a trade, man. Oh gosh.
Yeah, with split focus and everything, it's not easy.
It was just like the same gap that I like. Well, I entered on that. I entered on that 2-minute inversion, but that 1-minute gap that I was like, all right, that should act as a silver bullet. I allowed myself to get break even in that, but I watched how it traded through it, and then I pretty much just took something on the 15-second. Like I timed the 1 minute with the 15-second, and I took that. Yeah, you'll be able to see like my screen in it on a in post on a recording.
Yeah, you stop sharing it for now.
Wow, that's crazy. The event horizon between the two end dogs that we're currently between is also the event, also the consequent encroachment of that 1-minute wick at 10 o'clock.
Oh shit.
I'm break even again in case we want to reverse from that as a rejection block, which is below the consequent encroachment of this other end dog anyway. I think I at least get my first TP. And what is that? 85 to 23. That's 40 points, so $80. I'll get $80 for that one. Which would be nearly all of my loss from Asia. I took $110 loss in Asia. One trade.
Jesus. Why were you even trading Asia?
I felt like it.
I felt like
I had the wrong bias.
it's not the model.
Yeah, it was good practice. Suppose not. I saw something, and it was wrong. And I took $100 risk on it. Isn't that what a trader does?
Doesn't a trader also stick to one particular model that's consistent rather than just feeling
Yeah.
the vibe?
Yeah. I wasn't going off of feeling, oh my god, every time we do these, right, I'm gonna edit out a bit of you fucking beefing at me and me be like, say that to me again.
And I'll keep it in so everyone will get it.
Did you see the bit last time on the one I showed you and I was like, say that to me again? Yeah,
Say
you
that to
what? Are
me
you
again.
mad? Say that. I've walked price like a dog so far though.
No, it's been a good day for it. I've been following along really well, I think.
Come on, hit my limit cell.
Few notes
Don't be a
that I needed,
pussy.
but that's how we learn.
It's not even to the tick anyway. Come on, I hate that it does this, where it gets literally like stupidly close to your limit cell. Literally
Just
touched
manually
it.
do it.
Yeah.
but then delete it immediately.
Order filled.
I sold one. Missed out on like $10, so it's whatever, innit? And then yeah, we just hold. I don't even have to be here no more. You know, I've got break even. I've got $276 for previous day's high. I think I might clean. Oh, I just hide everything there. Cool. Anyway, look at your 5 minute and look at like, you know, how that lines up the 5 minute sisters and everything.
No, I know. I'm looking. I've already got 5 minute up. It's incredible how this all plays over.
So I'm basically aiming for yesterday's New York high now. I don't know. I could hold for previous day's high, but I don't. Oh, that is previous day's high. Yeah. Yeah, this has been good and calm. I haven't felt a single emotion. I haven't been trading emotionally. It's easy to not trade emotionally. It's just like, wait, how do I make sure I win? Getting there, getting there.
I'm doing a real good job of not entering on an impulse, but that also prevents me from entering at all.
Oh yeah, no, I know what that's like. Like I might experience that tomorrow. Like it's you just I didn't realize this until recently, but you've got to be unprofitable so that you can learn who you are in it. You've got to like actually do it and be like, all right, so that time didn't work, and you've got to do it without crashing out. That's it.
Your trading personality. It's a weird thing that you got to discover with it.
Yeah, you haven't taken a single trade, right?
I've taken one, but it stopped me out immediately. I don't really understand how.
All right,
I'll
all
have to
right.
watch
So you
back.
tried to take the silver bullet and it went wrong, and you didn't crash out about it. That's good.
No, I was just like, what the fuck? But let go. You just let go immediately.
Right. So, uh, I don't know how long I want to stick around for. It's my mum's birthday, so I gotta
Oh,
go
shit.
see her. I said I'd
Tell
go
her
see her,
happy
and I was
birthday
gonna
today.
walk. I was gonna walk there. Yeah.
You're gonna
I was
walk
thinking
there.
I'd walk there because yeah, fuck it, why not?
It'd probably only take you like 2.5 hours. You're above caution.
Yeah,
It's like 3.5 hours from North End.
it'll be nice. A little bit of cardio.
Yeah.
I've done it before. It's not that bad. It won't take 3.5 hours. Nah. It'll take like 2 hours.
No, I was saying 3.5 hours from North End. I was saying that's what how like 2.5 hours for you.
Yeah, fair. Um. Well, I'll just slowly get dressed while I watch the chart. I've never done this. I've never walked away like this. So I don't know. I'll be checking it on my phone.
Okay, I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep watching or not. I might keep the recording going and just
Oh yeah, no,
disappear
because
off.
now it's like, you know, we read the morning session. Now it's like, did it continue up to previous day's high, or like what did it do? You can see that after the fact, you know.
Yeah, was it like, did it only do 50% of the RTH, and then it's just going to continue lower, or is it keep going? Where's the daily?
Yeah. Now that you mention it, I wish I had another contract on. It's because I took a loss in Asia. I just took 2 contracts today, build mental capital. But I would love to, I don't know, just bag more profit.
Bag more profit.
I think it continues, to be honest.
Yeah, I think it might still strive for previous day's high.
I think I did really fucking well today. Oh my days.
Because if this was a market maker buy model on the daily, you got original consolidation, distribution, second stage distribution, and now we're like the upheaval.
Buy model on the daily.
Pardon?
I don't see that.
I don't know.
You'll have to
Hold on.
mark it out and show me.
Well, my screen is sharing. Come here. I know.
Oh, okay.
This
You
is
have
a
to
good
go
learning
all the way.
opportunity for me actually with it. Is that
Hang on, I'm watching.
probably
Give me a minute,
happens.
it's loading. It's still loading.
Treat that original consolidation.
But it's still loading.
Oh, it might be my internet. Hold on. I'll just mark out. And then
Oh, what's my win rate now? 40%! Whoa! It was 0 this morning. What's my win rate on the day? 66. That's bollocks. I didn't take any losses. Oh, Asia. Alright, yeah. That's fucking bollocks. Or you fucking take a fucking trade, cunt. What the fuck? Let me go ping.
I'm about to send you this on Messenger. I know, you tell me. I'm probably wrong if you don't see it. Learn a lesson.
I'm back.
As am I also just went to pee. Yeah, I sent you.
Oh shit, the whole thing. Yeah, of course it is. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wicked.
Okay.
Yeah. Fair. Well, yeah. I mean, good job seeing that. You're right.
Oh, fucking.
I've always had those draws. Those are the draws, like the weekly and all of that. I'm just wondering if it, stops me out before it goes to previous day's high. That's all. But shouldn't matter to me. I'm about to go see my mum.
Yeah,
Right.
you should be able to leave the chart now and get yourself.
Yeah, I made a good bit of content proving that I'm profitable. What else could a guy ask for? Oh, hang on. Look, let me show you. I got this is a smart shirt. Can I wear that to Chris's wedding? If not,
Hold up.
I've got
What are you saying?
another one knocking about somewhere. I had a burgundy one knocking about.
Burgundy. One.
Yeah, I have to find it.
What's the colour theme? Like, try to match their colour theme.
Bro, I don't know. He hasn't told me. He doesn't know anything. Get this. I said, oh, can Jay come? Because Gabe isn't coming. And
He
obviously
said-
Charlie knows Jay from school.
Yeah.
And he was like stressing out, like, oh, I don't think we got the space. Oh, and I was like, what? To the after thing? Like, he can just show up. Like, you just showed up to my mum's one.
Yeah.
And he was stressing. He's like, oh, I'll have to ask Charlie. And then he just said in front of Jay, he was like, oh, yeah, do you want to come to my wedding? And I was like, what's wrong with you?
That's fucking hilarious.
It's like, Oh, Jay, do you want to come to my wedding? Sorry, that's not nice.
Oh, Gabe was coming, but he left. A lot of this audio will get cut.
We're not going to have Gabe come, but Gabe's a nonce.
Gabe's a nonce. But on the
I wear
record.
swimming trunks.
You're wearing swimming trunks.
Indoors, yeah, they're comfortable.
Amazing. Oh, I was watching Forex cross-currency relationships and higher time frame institutional order flow.
Oh yeah.
I'm pretty sure I've watched it before though.
Oh, I've got these.
Jorts. Kinda looks like a 5-minute propulsion ball. Anticipation.
I guess I can walk away.
Man's too addicted.
Where's my belt?
My belt.
Oh my god, I've got the Dynavac! Yes!
Yeah.
I forgot that, you know, I'm not at work anymore.
Did you pick up yesterday?
A little bit, yeah. I converted the dollars my granddad gave me so that I could buy drugs with them.
Lol.
If I swear to God, if I hear order filled.
Order filled. Where's your stop? What level?
85.75.
85.75.
You know, break even.
Bang on. Just under 830.
Looks like a break even for me.
I'm gonna catch it on the entry. Well, while you're hitting that vape and I'm waiting for this, I'm gonna go hit an AVB bomb.
Brilliant.
I'm gonna record this just so I have it as a clip because it might be useful one day.
Will the clip of you doing a bomb?
Yeah, of me doing a bomb. That might come in handy for music or something. Since I've actually got my microphone set up. How is the quality of my screen stream?
Hang on. I couldn't see it. I couldn't even find it. Wouldn't load.
Definitely not worth me doing it then.
Guess not. Yeah, I think what's important is like you've learned how to come to a bias and a narrative. Like, here's the bias. This is how it. This is when it could start going in that direction after this.
Yeah, like it's played out to the narrative that I was developing pretty well actually.
Yeah, like
Except for the fact that I was
midnight
offside
opening,
with the midnight open.
but it's useful, isn't it?
No, I've definitely learned a lot in just these two sessions.
Mm-hmm.
So it's the FOMC stuff tomorrow, but I don't think is it actual FOMC or is it just like
Yeah. If it says minutes, then it's not, but it is FOMC. We can't trade until PM session, really, because of it.
let me see what my
Am I gonna put weed in my hair? Oh well.
because I'm not. There might be a day I can't trade tomorrow.
Well, no, yeah, but you don't want to trade tomorrow. That's what I'm saying. It's good.
Yeah.
You don't want to trade.
No, I mean, like I'm at
7
work.
PM.
I'm at work at 7 p.m.
No, yeah, I know.
That's what I'm saying. So I'm
just
gonna
no
set
trades.
it to record it. That's how you get live bar replay.
I would love to walk away right now, but
Then I should bit like I'm on a I'm seeing what's going on.
I'm just getting ready while I'm sat at my desk. Well, that's it. I was looking for my belt. I stopped doing that to look at the trade. Right, okay. Where the fuck is my belt? Yay, it's going up slightly.
Woo! Now here's looking good on the 5 minute.
Oh, it's on my TV. What the fuck? Why is my belt on my TV? Hey, where's my car? Where are my pants? Where are my pants and where's our TV? I thought Obama was gonna make everything cool. Right, it would just be good if I catch the daily range. It would just, it would be good.
Need to watch Core Content Month 8 for that. Let's go. You could do study sessions over the Discord.
Yeah.
And then anyone can just join and everything. That way we're just watching ICT videos through someone's screen share. Ooh. Is there a way to have like a Discord bot that embeds videos and stuff, so you can play a video in, like, say, a room like this?
I think so, yeah. I'm pretty sure.
I'm asking Lyle.
Oh. Alright, yeah, I don't know shit then, apparently. Alright, here we go, this is it. I'm about to get my shoes on, and the chat decided to start dumping this meme coin.
Order filled.
Alright.
You don't think there would be?
There we go, so I'm break even on the day. After the Asia loss, I made it back today. And I've got a 50% win rate now. So I started out the day with a 0% win rate. That's good. We're down $328 from yesterday. Nice. I think we got a 75% on the day. Yeah, we do. Alright. I won't lock my account. I might show up for PM session. Might. Ow.
Yeah, I'll look into the embedded player thing, but until that gets sorted, like we'll just screen share videos and have a study session. So like during the day tomorrow, we could do just like a chat and study, record that.
Yeah, we can do that. Can do.
Nice.
Oh. Okay, call me stupid, but while I'm getting my shoes on, there could very well be a re-entry here,
That's what I've been waiting for. Like the 5 minutes looking good. It's just I expect it to drop down to like the open levels again before the trace continue in its stead. Where am I expecting it? I don't think it'll get past.
How about I stick around until London close macro? That makes sense.
Yeah, I'm here just because like I'm waiting until 11.
Yeah. Wait till 11:10. Who's that? Is that Jay?
Is that Jay? Marked one.
I don't know. Hang on. Yeah, it's Jay. Well on, Jay.
Get your mic on, G.
I don't know if you can. Hello, Jay.
You should be able to, right? Has he got a role? No, you trader. You should have voice privilege. Joe? He's unmuted.
You might just watch us. I don't mind. We were just about to leave, but we're not. We've decided to wait another half an hour. But I should put my OBS back on.
These streams are available to you from 2 o'clock till 4 o'clock every day, except Saturday and Sundays.
No, on Saturdays and Sundays we just live stream porn.
Just have a
Oh,
straight
is it set to push to talk?
It might be.
Yeah, when I joined, it said like push to talk required.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
what
fair.
Carl was saying yesterday. I'll have to change that. Is it
Damn,
just
the
in
dollar
this
index is
session?
Just in this session.
Settings. Video quality, auto, user limit.
So how does it normally go then? Do you like share your screen and you point things out like?
Yeah, I mean, am I sharing my screen? Oh, I'm
No,
not
right now
anymore.
it's your
Sorry,
webcam.
I was. Yeah, sorry. Fuck. We were actually about to stop. Then we were like, actually, wait a minute. Well, I'll show you what we did. But yeah, usually I share my screen, and like if Dan's got a different idea, Dan will do what Dan does, and then you know. But we usually have the same shit going on. So I bought 2 here.
Is it on the right?
Well, that don't make no sense, does it, Dan? What the hell?
What does it make no sense? What's it
Doesn't
doing?
make no sense. What's it doing?
Oh, I see. Okay. So I bought 2 around here, and then they got taken out at the same price, so no loss there, break even. I bought 2 here. I took 1 off there, and then I took 1 off there at break even. So I took a loss last night in the Asia session. I was down 100, so I made $75, and we just stopped. Because I lost yesterday, so I have to be very nimble. So you don't tend to make a lot. You just sort of slowly recover until you're back to where you were, and then you can take a bigger. But we were gonna stop. I had a trade on. I was gonna let it run, and I was gonna go to my mum's because it's her birthday. But it hit break even, and I was like, hang on a minute, let me look for something. Just because there's like, we're specifically waiting for. I figured because of the time, I might as well wait for this window in time here, which is, you know, like a computer macro, don't you?
Yeah, somewhat. Yeah.
Yeah. So in this window of time that I've just like poorly drawn there is a macro that will run and it will do a certain thing, and so I'm sticking around just to see that, if you know what I mean. See if it can give me an entry. But we sit in silence for a lot of it. Or we can
It's
just
been a
yeah,
little
fair
bit
play.
more chatty today.
A little bit more tight today.
It's a new format. We'll get comfortable.
New format will get comfortable.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, I'm sure you could do some like I don't know how to say it. Like it look like what you're doing there as well. Especially you're putting a lot of like I don't know how to say it. Visual markers of things like.
Oh
that you wanna
yeah,
keep an
yeah.
eye on.
Yeah, there's a lot of things. A lot of them I don't need anymore that were a part of what I was looking at before. Because it can be confusing. You know, if I was trying to do something to show someone, I'd keep it simple. But for me, it ends up a bit of a mess. All the stuff that I'm looking at, and I just like hide all of it at once for the most part. But
I'll be right back. My dad's just calling me.
it's all right. That was a nice little dip below both opening prices again as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Might want to take just that short term low there at 10.04.
Yeah.
We are also at 79% of the RTH gap, like retracement. So we went up to 50
so
and
look at
now
my
we've
chart.
traced 7.9.
On the 5 minute, you see this and then this and then all of that, right?
Yeah.
Like
It's the
that
15
wick,
minute.
that wick, and then this wick. So I see this low, like, essentially, like, I'm seeing it kind of like an immediate rebalance, but I'm sort of thinking, you know, like, pretty much just that as like a balanced price range or whatever.
Yeah.
And that 10.04 there is that, and it's like, at the very most, like if it did go below that, I'd want to see that be a turtle soup. You know, I'd want to see it be quick to get above it again. So like that's how you can be like, on the 1 minute, like it just looks like a normal low, but you can like that should be a turtle soup if I'm still bullish, because like it shouldn't close below this. This is like a big like 5 minute gap essentially. That would kind of indicate an inversion for value gap. You know what I mean? So, and it is a 3 candle formation. It's just the overlapping of the wicks. It's a similar thing.
There's still a gap there because you treat the wicks as gaps. The
Essentially,
issue with your screen share, by the way, is that not all the